is bad parenting. Parents have not given her the manners. Going to go towards, well, this is bad parenting, this is an ill mannered child, and the parent has not done enough to keep. This is one main reason why in India, girls with autism often go unnoticed or don't get a diagnosis. Hi, I'm Rajni Singh, and today we are going to talk about why are girls with autism oftentimes undiagnosed or misunderstood. So, specifically when it comes to girls with autism, and specifically in India, the minute a girl would stand up and speak, the first thing that is seen is bad parenting. Parents have not given her the manners. Even when we are moving towards girls and boys, equal rights and lots have changed, but still the deep rooted thought process that says, oh, look at that girl. Also, the fact that it is associated that boys are more like rowdies, and that's fine. They can be brash, they can be all over the place. Girls are soft and gentle, and they don't literally say on somebody's face. So, especially if a child is towards the higher functioning side of the spectrum, and it becomes difficult to, um, on the glance of the child, be able to say with certainty, oh, this is autism. In such cases where we see that the child is, let's say, on the fence, neither here nor there, kind of, or to a layman. So it's not very, very clear. So when such a child, girl child with autism, would say something, and autism being autism, they are very, very in the face, very, very candid. They would just stand there and say it like it is. So if they want you to go, they would just say that please go, please leave, or whatever. If they don't like something, they will say, I don't like this dal sabji, etc. When it comes to girls, it is oftentimes thought that, oh, this is bad parenting. The parent has not taught her manners. The parent has not taught her that we please others. So instead of pleasing others or saying, me auntie, thank you so much, this, that, not smiling, she's the arrogant brute. And that's why she wants to just. So that's one main reason why, even when with boys, it's still okay. And the fact that the perceiver or the person who's at the other side will say, yeah, thoda bigda hua hai, he's a little spoiled. But then it'll be kind of okay with boys. But with girls, it is simply not going to go the right way, that maybe this child needs support. Maybe she needs some intervention. There is something not in place. And it is almost 100% of the times going to go towards, well, this is bad parenting, this is an ill mannered child, and the parent has not done enough to keep the child, to teach the child. And the fact that the child requires therapeutic intervention, or probably the child needs to be taught soft skills as to how to deal with other people, that generally will not cross the person's head. This is one main reason why in India, girls with autism often go unnoticed or don't get a diagnosis. If you like the content that we shared today, please click on the like button, press for notifications, subscribe, and share with somebody who will benefit. Also, if you want to learn more about autism, deep dive into how to deal with autism and autistic children and how to raise them well, please feel free to join us on our live every Tuesday, 7 to 7:30 p.m. on YouTube, English and Hindi, and Instagram. The handles and the links, everything is given in the description box. Also, should you be interested in any kind of books, regarding autism. Not books for you, but books for the child. How to teach date, how to teach money concepts, math, addition, subtraction, practical, workable, doable books. The links to the same are available in the description box below. And I shall see you another time.